Hello, my name is Juan David Rondon Rodriguez, and this is my final project to English class. The topic that I selected to the presentation is overpopulation. The overpopulation is a phenomenon that occurs when high population density causes a worsening of the environment. This is in the quality of life or situation of hunger or conflict. This is a picture to overpopulation. Consequence that the overpopulation is depletes is depletes energy and natural resources, increased pollution, endangered animals, low life expectancy, increased energy consumption, less freedom and privacy, private laws, and among others. This is examples that the overpopulation causes in the world. To various resources, the world population as of January 31 of 2020 is 7,701 million, and in the last decade, the world population increased by 1 billion inhabitants, and it is expected that in the 2023 the serial population of 8 billion and somewhat more, which means that in 2 decades it has increased more than 2 billion inhabitants. This is an example in 100 in 1999 the world have 6 billions of inhabitants, and in 2020 the world have 7 billion and more. And in the future they will have in 2023 is expected that have 8 billion of inhabitants in the world. This is my presentation for the project and final project in English, and no more.